Categorizing transactions in Wally is a straightforward process that helps you keep track of your expenses and stay on top of your finances. To get started, open the Wally app and navigate to the Transactions tab. Here you will see a list of all your transactions, including income and expenses. The first step in categorizing transactions is to understand the different categories available in Wally. These categories include housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and more. Each category is designed to help you track specific types of expenses, making it easier to identify areas where you can cut back and save. To categorize a transaction, simply tap on the transaction you want to categorize and select the Edit option. From here, you can choose the category that best fits the transaction. For example, if you purchased groceries, you would select the food category. If you filled up your gas tank, you would select the transportation category. Wally also allows you to create custom categories, which can be useful if you have specific expenses that do not fit into the predefined categories. To create a custom category, go to the Settings tab and select Categories. From here, you can add a new category and give it a name. In addition to categorizing individual transactions, Wally also allows you to set budgets for each category. This helps you stay on track and ensure that you are not overspending in any one area. To set a budget, go to the Budgets tab and select the category you want to set a budget for. From here, you can enter the amount you want to budget for that category. Best practices for categorizing transactions in Wally include being consistent and accurate. Make sure to categorize each transaction as soon as possible, and try to be as specific as possible when selecting a category. This will help you get the most out of Wally and make it easier to track your expenses over time. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively categorize your transactions in Wally and take control of your finances. Remember to stay consistent, be accurate, and take advantage of the custom categories and budgeting features to get the most out of the app. With Wally, you can easily track your expenses and make informed decisions about your money.